Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a new handle for this. One of my students gave me this and asked me to do it, so I need to find some wood. Right, I don't have a solid block of beech, so I'm going to trim these 4 smaller bits up, glue them together. I do, however, have a big block of oak, so I shall trim this up and then get them both on the lathe. We'll see what happens. On with it! Yesterday I made 2 replacement handles, but I need to stabilise the timber, so I'm going to cover it in super glue, a very runny one, easy flow it's called. While that's drying, I'm going to take the old handle off, which shouldn't take too much effort, and I'm going to give the blade a clean up, so I'll be using this. Leave these to go off, and in the meantime strip this down, clean this up, and then we'll give it a sharpen up, and hopefully be as good as new. Shouldn't take too much effort. having got the back of this chisel as flat as we possibly can, you can see it's all nicely polished up. We're now going to sharpen the edge. On the whetstone. Most of my students will know that I spend most of my life on this machine. I should be teaching them, but never mind. Let's get sharpening. Decision time. Oak or beech? Yeah. Oak. I just want to give this ferrule a bit of a buff over as well.
Let's do this.
A few moments later.
Something went wrong, so let's try that again with the beech, and then we'll just progress up through the drill bits. Start with a So there it is, brand new chisel, effectively, total refurb, new handle, razor sharp edge, and this Marples and Sons chisel is good for another 100 or so years.
Do it!
Okay, let's see how sharp this is.